Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get SwiftKey keyboard. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To install the SwiftKey keyboard on your Android device, just follow these straightforward steps. Firstly, launch the Google Play Store by tapping its icon on your screen. Then search SwiftKey keyboard. Tap the install to download. Uninstall the app on your device. After installation, go ahead and open the SwiftKey app. You can usually find it in your app drawer or on your home screen. Now, the app will guide you on how to enable SwiftKey in your device's settings and make it your default keyboard. Simply tap Enable SwiftKey, then toggle on the SwiftKey option and hit OK. Next, tap on Select SwiftKey, choose SwiftKey as your keyboard, and then tap Try a keyboard. And that's it. You're all set to use the SwiftKey keyboard. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.